Hello everyone. In this tutorial, I discuss about the vrep script. Okay, so mainly vrep script written in Lua, Java, Python, MatLab, and Octave language. Okay, so you can control this object by using vrep script. That's it. Firstly, it move right or left. It's definitely indicated by vrep script. Mainly vrep script is the main controller of this object, of any object. So firstly I click here, that's the script icon. Okay, double click on it. Here is the vrep script and this written in Lua language. Okay, so you can see that different types of language setup. Here is firstly it defined with function syscall initial. Okay, syscall init, that means initial. Okay, then prepare initial values the and iterative handles. After that it's written in that irb140, that's the object name. Okay, object name, and that's the object name for this object. Then here you see that the end of this process ui, that's the variable, and ui is sim get ui handle. That means the design of the handle is irb 140 ui. That means that ui handle, that the object in a handle is this. If this portion is the handle, for that it's indicate sim.get ui handle. Okay, ik1 here the variable ik1 indicate that the screw or nut. Okay, how many screw or nut here and how to handle it. After that here is the another end. The example script is non-threaded. Okay, the functionality of this script could be implemented, and here you can change any object like that. You can return comment section in this like that. Okay, so that's the VREP software tutorial. For comment you use double dash. Okay, after that there is another function means the cleanup function, and the cleanup function is int. After that expression, here the expression is for 131. That means for odd numbers the desirable configuration I, and you can change it like that p, and I for p I also here p, here also use p for this variable changes and like that. Okay, after that here if else using loop for if else or end. Okay, here is the use another loop for this working if else loop. Okay, after that you see that the pause orientation, pause time and orientation time for that script. Okay, now this is the another portion for this language. You can use matrix also here. Okay, then if for this is number I equal 161, that means the time duration. Okay, 1 second, 6 second, 1 second. After that it move its one handle can move here. Its one handle can move 1 second in that portion, and after that it's 6 second, it's also again back in this portion. Okay, next is the for movement mode equals 0. That means the if here is this portion will not move, that means movement mode is 0. Okay, after that, that also use if else condition loop. So that's the very script, child script. Every object have this very child script, and there is no save button. For that you change this portion, but there is no save button. Okay, it's the very save it's automatically. After that you also get that uh, I just select it. Okay, then I just click on it. There is also a script for controller, and after that here is the also a script. Okay, that's the customized script for the developers. And function also clean up process and others if else condition also use in this script. So that's the VREP script, you can change it and etc. So thank you everyone, see you in next tutorial.